So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 108,865. And the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed at all. I mean, it has changed it in a bit because it did go and it hit the area of $110,000. But there are no surprises whatsoever. We have talked about this for multiple days. It went and it hit that area. It went and it hit all the way up towards 110,500. And right now we are seeing, observing at least, it hitting and touching and going down again. Of course, from here, the first area of interest, not that it matters, but first area of interest is $105,000. It has somehow turned into a psychological support area for Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin goes up and it starts its downward journey, somehow it takes an interest in this area of $105,000. It reacts to it a bit, but eventually, of course, our main actual support is at 102,500. And after that, we have our last support, and that is at 97,300. Of course, I think losing 102,500 this time is more than enough. I don't think I'm going to take any form of interest in 97,300. I think this time when Bitcoin goes below 102,500, I would pretty much assume that the downward journey has started. It is going to break below 97,300 and things are going to get nasty. Now, nasty in a sense that it's not going to be extremely horrible, but I'm talking about going down all the way towards $74,000 to $70,000 region. 74 being the all-time high of 2024 in its initial run when it started rallying. I think that was after halving of Bitcoin. So that is the area of interest, and on charts it's really obvious. It's very easy to pick actually. It's a child's play. I'll still show you the child's play. As why am I interested in $70,000? So if you look at $70,000, this is your 2024 January, and this is all of the 2024 up till the month of October. So $70,000 is an area of interest, and I think that this is where we can expect Bitcoin to drop, and then hopefully it will hold. But of course, all this after it fails with the 102,000. Now, the reason I'm interested in 70K is because it makes sense, and not only that, on weekly we have one top. If Bitcoin is just kind enough and it starts dumping, it can create another top, and finally it can go towards the $70,000 area. Then we will have this double top structure, and I think that by then a lot of Bitcoin maxis that are really in love with Bitcoin, they will start panicking. But all this stuff, if we go down, if we break 102,500, if we don't break, we need to then break 110. If you break 110 and start living above it for more than 2 days, which has not happened yet, then we can start talking about the journey towards $120,000. It will be fast, it will be quick, because it is a discovery area. We haven't gone into that zone, so I think it will pump hard. But we need to go above 110. If that is not happening, I think we should prepare for the downward journey. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.